Yo, what's going on everyone? Nacho here. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Today we are joined by special guest Rizu. We're going to be starting a packing series. This is the first video of our first international trip that we did together to Japan. And let me start off by saying that we use suitcases, but you can also use backpacks. But with that out of the way, let's get started. So this is what I normally take to the airport. Pair of sweatpants. I take a wicking shirt with me and some comfortable pair of socks, and I also like to carry a waterproof jacket with me. So these are the tops that I took. I took a mixture of comfortable like sweating shirts with some t-shirts, and also I took one polo just for like a fancy occasion. And these are my bottoms, which is just a pair of blue jeans and some khakis. And I took a pair of khaki shorts and also some athletic shorts because I like to stay comfortable. These are my shoes, very comfortable shoes if I may say so. And then these are my pair of Vans just in case I'm trying to wear some Vans, I guess. And then these are my underclothes, which is just socks and undies. These are my toiletries, which that's my toothbrush, my deodorant, my trimmer, some hairspray, and then some body spray, some floss, some eye drops. These are my electronics, so I like to take my headphones. Here's my phone charger, my portable power bank. These are just some extras that I like to take always. I always like to take a fitted hat and my phone, obviously, some Germex, my lip balm, and my passport holder and a pen.
So this is what I take to the airport: a pair of leggings and a big shirt, also my cardigan and my rain jacket. And these are my tops. I took about 5 short sleeve shirts. And for bottoms, I took leggings, jeans, and a pair of shorts. For shoes, I took my yoga sling sandals and my running shoes. So these are my pajamas. I take some sleeping shorts and a big t-shirt, and those are my underclothes. For toiletries, I brought sunblock, deodorant, floss, my toothbrush, face cream, face wash, hair cream, toothpaste, and a body scrub. And we did stay at a hotel that provided a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash for us. I also brought my razor and some mosquito repellent wipes. And that's my medicine bag. So inside I have a first aid kit, some vitamins, that's my medicine, a thermometer. I also brought some creams like cortisone or Neosporin, also some Pedialyte, a sewing kit, an antacid, and some tissues, and vapor rub. So this is all the makeup that I take, and also brought a little mirror with a hairbrush in it. And that's my jewelry bag with earrings and necklaces inside. For electronics, I take a universal adapter, my charger, a lock, a battery bank, and a luggage weight. That's my phone, and also a luggage tag. That's my water bottle and all my important documents, my purse, and a bag where I keep all my important things like my passport and money and anything else I need.
Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is everything that we took to Japan for 10 days during the spring. And hopefully this video will help you with your future trip to Japan. But with all that out of the way, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at Nacho Travel. And we hope to see you guys later. Peace.